Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this one, I'm showing you how to sign up for your Manus AI account in 2025 and access your dashboard. That's Slick Hub for all your AI-powered tasks. If you've got your invite code ready, this is quick and easy. Let's get you logged in. First, open your browser and head to manus.im, the official Manus AI site. You'll see a clean homepage with a Get Started button up top. Click that. If you've already got an account with an invitation code, this is where you start. So guys, if you have no code yet, check my video on creating a Manus account to join the beta waitlist. Step 2. Sign in. On the login page, pick your Google or Apple account. Those are the only options for right now. Click on Login with your credentials, and if it's your first time, you'll see a spot to enter your invitation code. Punch that in, it's what unlocks your access, then hit Submit. Once you're in, land on the Manus AI dashboard, your command center. It's got a taskbar for new requests, a history of past jobs, and use case demos. Try typing something like analyze Tesla stock trends to test it out. Everything's cloud-based, so it runs even if you log off. Step 4. Fix any hiccups. If login fails, double-check your code or clear your browser cache. That's it, you're signed into Manus AI and ready to roll in 2025. Guys, log in with your Google or Apple, enter your code, and done. It's your ticket to next level AI tasks. Worked for you? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.